Hi everyone, my name is Diane Marks and I am the instructional designer here at Florida Gulf Coast University. I wanted to show you how to edit a PDF just in case you don't already know. So this is the assignment from your professor, and he's asking you to either work alone or work in groups to complete this worksheet. And there'll be several more like this while you're still working at a distance from the university campus. So the easiest thing you can do is to make sure you save it as a copy or save it as with your name so that you know which copy you want to upload later. So my name is Diane Marks and I'm going to put DM at the bottom. So I know that that's my assignment. The next thing you want to do is make sure that you open these tools, the toolbox. When you click on that, it gives you the option to edit the document. So again, we want to make sure that you understand what you can do to edit this and make it right. So if I click on the T, it's going to give me a text. And of course you have the opportunity to change the color. Currently I have it set as red, but I can set it as black if I want, or blue. And so when you click on the text, it'll give you a text box. And that's where you're going to click and drag it and put your name in it. If you're working with a partner, they'll do the same thing and they'll put their name in it. So my name is Diane, and I'm going to be working with Sue, and we're just going to be working the two of us. Again, you'll do the same thing for table number. Click the text box and put in whatever number you have. This is going to be, I guess, your lab. I don't know if you need a number in here or not at this time. So here you're going to do your matching. And it's just as simple, just like we did earlier. You'll click your text box symbol and you'll put in your letter, drag it over to the line, and put it on the line. If you feel like your letter is too big, you can resize it. Again, you have all of those options right here where the slanted A is. This is 22 points, so maybe it's a little big. Maybe I'd like it to be 15. Okay, so I'm going to do one more so you can see what that looks like. Again, you click the text box, type in what other letter, highlight it. See those two blue dots? They mean it's ready to move, and you can see it turns into a little hand when it's ready to go. All right, so that's how you'll edit it. Again, right here, what muscles produce this reaction for the right eye or left eye. And so you can, again, just type in whatever it is. And so when you're finished typing in your answers, again, this would be a text box. Click on the T for text box. Move it where you want it. If you're going to have a long answer, you just drag the corner of it, pull it out, and type your answer. Okay? So the most important thing to do is, as you're going along or when you're finished, is you want to make sure that you continue to save it. Okay? So when you're all done with it, you'll open your Canvas course, go to the assignment, and you'll upload it into the assignment to submit it for your professor. All right, I hope you found this helpful.